Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Guys, this has always been giving us positive results, and of course we're going to be having another edition of it tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Like I said, I will be analyzing the markets tonight. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with my trading analysis. Okay, and as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. But you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this, so you too can also do the same thing. Let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it kept on going up and up, got to this resistance zone, pull back, and of course this time around it broke out from the resistance zone, and of course it is at this point. Okay, this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, that is when it will go back into a sell trend, but you need to wait for that to happen. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on downtrend, and of course got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. It pulled back and of course came down again, and right now it is at this support zone again. If it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back on buy trend, but if it breaks out below it, then it will continue to sell. Okay, this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below it. That is when it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. Just the way we have seen it, this had been an uptrend right from here, and of course got to this resistance zone and played around there for a while before breaking out from there. Okay, so it is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from the next resistance zone. So this is still more of a buying opportunity. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a sell trend. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. This is purely on downtrend. You can see it, it kept on crashing down till it got to this region, pulled back, was unable to break out above this support, resistance zone, so it went back on downtrend. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely to go back on buy trend. But for now, it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out. Volatility 75 has been buying right from here, and of course you can see it, it kept on going up, broke out from this resistance zone successfully, and it kept on going up and up. It has gotten to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on sell trend. But for now, it is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance, and that is when it will go back on sell trend. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever we you are trading tonight. And for those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.